Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing your hard floors on your hands and knees? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to the Bissell Lightweight SpinWave Expert Hard Floor Spin Mop. In this review, we'll delve into why this innovative mop is a game changer for anyone seeking a sparkling clean home, how its powerful spinning mop pads take the hard work out of cleaning, and why it's a must-have for pet owners and anyone looking to save time and effort on household chores. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cleaning your home like a pro. Effortless floor cleaning. Let's start with what matters most: cleaning performance. The Bissell SpinWave Expert takes the hassle out of floor cleaning with its powerful spinning mop pads that do the work for you. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to effortlessly restored floor shine. Whether you have wood, tile, linoleum, or other sealed hard floors, this expert mop is up to the task, effortlessly powering through tough, sticky messes with ease. Safe and effective. Not only does the SpinWave Expert make cleaning a breeze, but it's also safe and effective on all sealed hard floors. With its on-demand spray control, you can easily control how much solution goes on the floor while cleaning, ensuring that your floors are not only clean but also well maintained. Plus, its lightweight design and swivel steering make it easy to maneuver, so you can clean tricky spaces like along baseboards with ease. Complete cleaning solution. With the SpinWave Expert, you're not just getting a mop, you're getting a complete cleaning solution. The machine comes with 4 soft touch mop pads for everyday cleaning, 2 scrubby pads for tough, sticky messes, and trial-size bottles of hard floor sanitize formula and wood floor formulas for a fresh, clean scent. It's everything you need to achieve professional quality results at home. Pet-friendly and noise-free. As pet owners, we understand the importance of keeping our homes clean and fresh for our furry friends. That's why the Bissell SpinWave Expert is designed to help make pet messes disappear, all while minimizing noise disruption. Engineered to make minimal noise while in use, this expert mop gives you a powerful clean without the powerful noise, so you can clean with confidence and peace of mind. Final verdict. In conclusion, the Bissell Lightweight SpinWave Expert Hard Floor Spin Mop is a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their floor cleaning routine and achieve professional quality results at home. With its powerful spinning mop pads, safe and effective cleaning, complete cleaning solution, pet-friendly design, and noise-free operation, it's a must-have for busy households everywhere. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to effortless floor cleaning with the SpinWave Expert. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.